What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play Speed. We are with Brian, but we can't really. I can't really hear him. Like you hear, but I can hear Brian.
Can you hear me?
They can't.
Okay, I'm on the 4th stage.
The first stage is always the easiest.
I'm gonna try to do no death challenge. I have to stay alive the whole time.
Okay.
I beat this game like 5 times.
I beat it like 0 times. I raged at that candy level 3 times. That candy one. I raged 3 times on that candy level.
I'm on level 5.
Ooh.
I raged on the hella thin one, like the little, you know the little clock, like the one with the little
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that level.
I freaking hate that!
Is that after the candy level?
Is it the black and yellow?
Yeah, I know which one you're
That's
talking
what I hate! I keep dying to that one! I rage so hard!
Yeah, soon I'll be raging. You wanna try completing this, but I can't record the whole thing. But I'll record like some of it, and then let's try to complete this. I want to try and complete this. I never complete it.
I'm on stage 6.
Okay. Oh, here we go. It's level 5. Okay, here we go.
What level are you on?
Level 5.
I died.
Oh, good one for me. A little bit.
Level 5 is easy. Level 6 is easy.
I staked just. Oh, what the? How did I not fall? Yep. Level 6 is, of course, the one. I gotta jump straight away.
Oh my god, I'm on the rainbow one.
I forgot which one's. Rainbow looks like the rainbow one.
Oh my god. I keep jumping because I'm a pro.
How do I keep not hitting it? This is impossible. Level 7. Here we go. Just jump like a maniac. Keep jumping. Keep it.
This is what I'm on. I'm on level 7.
This one's actually kind of easy. It's just I get traumatized. What's the rainbow colors?
I'm in stage 8.
I stop painting. Oh, this is hard a little bit. Okay, this is hard because you can just fall right off of it.
I've only died once. How many times have you died?
2. I think 2 times. Well, here we go, level 8. Level 8's kind of easy.
Yeah, I know. I just did it. Oh, nice. Frick, I didn't jump.
Happens to me. Look, I put sometimes, and nope, I don't want to jump. It's like the spacebar doesn't want to jump. Easy. It's not that old.
The gear one is like so much.
Wait, you buy gear?
No, the gear one, the little one.
Oh, okay, yeah. But the candy one, though, is the hardest.
No, it's not.
Candy one makes me rage so bad that I quit there 3 times. 3 times I quit there.
I never quit this game.
The candy level almost made me broke my laptop that one time.
I'm hitting my keyboard.
Here we go. I sometimes rage at this one, the one that looks like a city.
I'm on level 11.
Oh, the one that you like jump on buildings and the roads. Sometimes I'm
Yes,
How? How is that not far enough? How is that not?
They made a little bit of new levels.
I know. But that candy one is still here. I like the because I would just be there the whole time. Here we go. Thin platforms.
I'm on
And
this weird frozen one.
oh, I'm on level 11, I think. Probably level 11.
Are you on the ice?
What? I'm on the one with all the ships. It's
Oh, okay. I'm like one above you.
okay.
I completed it. 20 seconds. I'm in this one too.
These are small.
I'm on the one with the bridges.
Oh, but these are small
You hear
platforms.
my music in the background?
Yeah.
Just look at your music for this audio. Like, it's so crazy.
Wow, I'm actually doing this really fast. Ooh, what the? How? How did I not die from that? I did not die from that at all. That was
I'm on
amazing.
the black and white one. I'm on the black and white. Black and white one that we just did.
Yeah.
I'm like doing the opposite. Like there's more black and like the lines are white.
One, I cannot get the fast jump.
Oh God, no!
What the? You screamed really loud.
Oh my God.
Get ready for me to rage soon. I'm the easiest to rage. I rage easy.
Freaking call me Rager louder than you. Did you hear that?
I don't yell. Yell in my mind.
Oh my fucking God. If I keep dying, then
I'm on level 13.
that's the one.
The castle. It's
Oh,
like,
no. I'm in level 14. Level 14 is the world.
it's like the broken castle.
I'm on the broken castle because it's like ice.
This level is kind of easy. Okay. I keep almost falling.
Oh, I'm on the little one with the.
Are you actually kidding me?
I'm on the one with all the hardcore software system, like the little electricity one.
Oh, yeah, that
Oh
one.
my God! Why?
That makes me rage. That's like the first stage in this whole game. Fall right through. You actually fall right through.
Fucking game!
What's happening to you? 16. Yeah, you're on level 16. Straight when you screamed, you made my game lag. The
Oh
scream.
my God! You died! This is one.
We got to.
Ah!
This is our challenge.
I'm on this one. Guy to the right. So I don't know if I'm gonna fall.
No, that's the one I rage at. Like super bad.
It's like on the left and right. You don't know if you're gonna fall.
Yeah, I raged that one a
Oh,
lot.
okay, I beat it.
I raged that one.
Like you have to go to a second server in the speedrun. Right.
Wait, no, we're not. We're still on the same server. Look, scroll up.
Server later.
Look, scroll up. Still in the game.
14.
Yeah. This was not that then. Okay, now I just. Okay, ice. This is the ice one. I'm on
Yeah.
that castle. Oh. Yeah. This one's a little bit hard. It's slippery. And plus it's the cracks. I just gotta do this.
Oh my God!
Please do not my speakers. My speaker just glitched out.
No one.
Yeah, well, this one's hard a little bit. It's a little bit hard. That electricity one did it just. Ah.
Ah! Can they hear me now?
They probably can't hear you. Like, if you watch this. I keep getting juked on this
I
one.
died on the left. Okay, fine.
What?
Fine, that's the last one.
Me a lot in this game.
I'm gonna do the no stop.
No.
I have to keep running. I can't stop.
No. I'm on the electricity one. I'm already getting mad. This electricity one is on.
Is this still recording?
My video still recording.
I'm on the little space rock one.
Oh. Oh, I know which one you're on, I think.
Wait, is the candy in
What do you mean? We didn't change servers.
Oh wait, all the stages are in one server?
Yeah, it's just put
There's a speedrun
tricking
that's like
you.
There's a speedrun that's 2 servers.
Yeah.
But if I go... Ah! Ah!
God.
I keep dying! I hate this game!
What is happening to you? No, I'm on this part. Here we go, it's the raging.
What level am I?
Ugh.
I'm
What?
level 20.
Yeah, I'm on the electricity one. I swear, if I fall on this one, I'm gonna...
I'm hashtag better.
No! Of course! Of course! Just like I fall through it! Of course!
Ah! My God!
Can you just do it so you don't have to keep screaming? Like, you
No!
can
You're this wall? I'm on the money one. Get money.
stopping on my platforms. And now I'm just gonna keep going. There.
Are you laughing?
My speakers are glitching out from screaming. No, it's a little bit glitchy.
I'm gonna lose blue electricity.
No! I died at the same time! We're both screaming! We're literally both screaming right now.
I'm fucking hating this game.
Okay, I blame that one. I blame myself for that. We have to complete the game. I want to do the challenge. Right?
Whoever wins gets the flag.
What?
I'm on the phone with the same music as the auto.
I don't even know what you're saying, but whatever.
Just kidding, nobody did. I keep flipping around. I'm on level 23, how about you?
I'm on the electricity one still. Which is I'm on level 16 still.
No, I fell off! I'm stick to the flag. Honestly. I played little than you, but I'm still ahead of you. A lot. Probably like the best.
I keep trapping myself! Guess how long I've been on this stage?
How long?
For 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
I'm running this stage. Just 4 seconds. No, a minute.
Oh my god!
I'm
Oh,
on level
what
23.
the?
Holy yeah. Suck it.
Someone joined my game that some of my friends. They were playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I finally gonna make this.
Ah!
I'm laggy! No! No! Yeah, well, I'm gonna end the video here. I just